Hey there, it's Hannah with WTI. And if you're looking to give your cabinets a facelift, then you should check out getting these cabinet knobs.
These are antique brass cabinet knobs in the 1 1/4 inch size from ZAUYX. I am completely in love with the way these look in my kitchen. When we first did our kitchen, we put some black knobs on here and they've done their job for over the years, but I wanted to do something a little bit different. So I wanted to replace them with these beautiful antique brass knobs. These are nice and heavy with real metal, and they go on so easily. They come with all of the hardware that you need to install them in your cabinets. I already had some screws from my previous ones, so I was able to just put these right on in place of where they were, and I am so happy with them. You will not be disappointed if you get these. I love that it comes in a 20 pack, so I was able to redo all of my knobs in one go and even have a few extra if we add a cabinet.
These knobs were a quick, easy way to give my kitchen a great facelift. I couldn't recommend them more. And that's my point of view.